guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. So yeah, I just wanted to make a little tutorial for you guys, especially if you have like longer hair, something that can help just, you know, quicken up the time, because this takes all day long. So you usually want something quick, and that's exactly what this is. So if you want to see how I curl my hair, then just keep on watching. Okay, first things first. So I usually wait until my hair is dirty. I mean, it's a little stiff. It's not crazy or nothing like that, but I usually wait till it's a little bit dirtier, and that's when I curl my hair, just because I like to stretch it out as long as I can. Obviously I straighten it, so I don't want to do that all the time. But yeah, so first things first, I have this Conair Infinity Pro curling wand. I think the barrel is 1.5 inches. So this is what I use. It has a clamp. I'm not gonna use the clamp today. I just don't like those curls, and that's gonna take me forever. Yeah, my heat's setting. We have it on 360. There we go. We have it on 360. I mean, usually I just split my hair in half and then I just start going at it. So split my hair in half, tie part of it up, and then I'm not super neat when it comes to this stuff just because it'll take too long. So I take a section about this big, nothing crazy, and I just use the curling iron as a wand. So I always have the barrel facing downward just so that I have an easier time wrapping my hair around. I need one of those gloves, like one of those heatless gloves or heat-proof gloves. So I just hold it here for a second. Ooh. One thing I don't like about this is that my hair gets caught in the screws. So I just wrap my hair around, make sure that the curl is facing away from me. I let it bloop in my hand. I hold it. I want it to cool off in this position. So I'm gonna take a clip, any kind of clip, and I just clip the curl so that it stays, so I can keep on moving. Like I told you, I like to make this quick. Once again, curl facing away from me. Then I clip it. And this process is never perfect for me, so I don't do the most even sections, and I don't do, you know, the most strict parts or whatever the case may be. I just gotta get this done because I got a lot of hair and I'm not trying to wait a million years for it to curl. Now once I start to curl the front of my head, I move a little further up on the curl just because I want more volume at the top. The back I don't really care because that's none of my business. And plus, obviously it's just longer in the back because I have layers, so it would take forever. So once I get up to the front, I just curl it more towards the top so I can have more volume. I'm just gonna section out my bang moment. Sometimes I cut them myself, even though I have my wonderful sister who's a cosmetologist, and she does hair in the Phoenix area, so hit her up. But sometimes I cut my own hair, so the bangs aren't even. So I feel for the ones that are cool, obviously the ones that I put in first are gonna be cooled off. I'm gonna take it out, and it's kind of hard for my hair to hold a curl, especially because it just falls out. And then it's long, so then it just weighs it down because it's heavy. It's a lot. So I hold it in this position. I'm gonna take this new hairspray that I got, Professional Sebastian Shaper? Girl, read. Shaper. Can we read? That's what it is. Can't really see, but I'm gonna spray that curl. Hopefully this doesn't make my hair crunchy. My sister recommended it, so we're gonna see. Just wanna make sure it's coated. Even already, it doesn't feel crunchy like a normal hairspray. It smells good though. Okay, all these curls are taken out. Feeling good. My hair doesn't feel crunchy. This might be a winner. Just gonna do one last spray. Then I'm gonna brush it out. Just finger to tingle, kind of separate them a little bit, zhuzh it up. I gotta see this in the mirror, sorry guys. I'm gonna do some of these curls in the back because like I told you, I don't really go that high, but now they're a little too low for my liking. So with dirty hair, the curl always just stays better for me. So this is hard because it's not as dirty as I would normally have it. Okay, now for my bangs, I'm gonna actually use the clamp my hair, twist. I hold it for a second. I'm loosening the clamp every time a little bit just so I can roll it back down and get more hair in there. Then I let her free. And I'm gonna let this sit there for a second. And I'm gonna do the other side of my head really quickly. I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay guys, so this is the hair. She's loose, which is always the goal. If I wanna use the clamp, that's when I'd like do that to get more defined curls, but here we are. This is the look. Yeah, this is how the hair looks. Y'all, this hairspray is crazy. I wait till it's dirty, my hair till it's dirty, just cause once I put hairspray in it, I'm like, it's already dirty, who cares? So when it gets all crunchy and starts feeling like, hey, I don't really care as much, but this stuff is not making my hair crunchy. Okay, Brianna, kind of did your thing with the hairspray. This is what my hair looks like. But this is the final result. It's crazy, I gotta stand up so you can see like all of it. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video helpful in your curling journey. Please, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see any of my other videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.